Across America, a new resurgence in manufacturing has begun. For the first time in decades, small companies and struggling regions have seen a return of jobs, opportunities, and hope, thanks to a renewed focus on national defense. Now, companies can take advantage of this chance with QMS to go. For generations, America's hidden secret has been the small manufacturing companies that serve the U.S. military. Contrary to popular belief, it is not only big companies that do this work. Small, nimble companies innovate and win contracts by creating revolutionary new ideas. However, the health of military manufacturing is directly tied to military budgets. During the 30 years from the end of the Cold War until recently, budgets favored very large corporations that competed for a very small number of contracts. Cutbacks on military spending let America's defensive capabilities fall and had the damaging effect of harming manufacturing-focused regions. But all of that changed in 2022 with the rapid escalation of the Russo-Ukrainian War. Suddenly, an ally was under attack, and America had to step up its supply chain like never before. All across the country, small communities started to feel the effects. Camden, Arkansas was once a hotbed of defense manufacturing. Home of the Highland Industrial Park, Camden helped America win World War II and built rockets to keep the nation safe. But decades of defunding left Camden a shell of its former self. The assembly lines fell silent. But the sudden demand from Ukraine meant that manufacturing had to resume, and fast. Camden stepped up, surging production of the vital MLRS rocket systems Ukraine needed. An economic reawakening occurred, opening avenues for small businesses to capitalize. And throughout Camden, hope for the future returned. But Ukraine still needed more, and Pentagon leadership realized that a shortage of workers and manufacturers was holding America back. Across political parties and differences, a decision was made. To ensure global security, a new surge of innovation was needed like never before. Manufacturing and science-driven companies are critical to replenish the material stockpiles that have been sent to the front. All across America, businesses and entrepreneurs must step up in a time of need and deliver. Experience with tooling, material science, and additive manufacturing are required, now more than ever, to restore the nation's industrial capacity. Many companies have this experience, but do not know how to answer Washington's call. Fortunately, the government's SBIR and STTR programs give small manufacturers a path into military contracts, but companies must conform to strict quality guidelines like ISO 9001 and the aerospace industry's AS9100 quality management standards. This can be intimidating for companies that don't have military-grade quality management systems, and is potentially the difference between winning and losing a contract. QMS to Go is the tool that will elevate your company to success. Our AI-powered quality management assistant is trained on ISO 9001 and AS9100 and helps quality managers rapidly generate reports, check documentation, and achieve conformance with international standards. The software is compartmentalized to exclusively access company data and the QMS standard itself, minimizing the risk of dangerous AI hallucinations. QMS to Go safeguards compliance and conformance by cross-checking documents, providing peace of mind and auditor referrals when needed. It's a protective, productive tool that will allow you to enter the defense industry with confidence. So step up and seize the opportunity. America is waiting for your manufacturing and scientific expertise to build the future and keep us all safe. Contribute to the nation's defense, unlock life-changing contracts, and sustain the values of freedom and democracy across the world. Now is the time for your company to become a defense contractor with QMS to Go.